Question number 21 of this series IIT JAM 2025 MS PYQ Solution series. So the question is as we have x1, x2, x5 which is IID and following normal 0, sigma square. And we have to find the value of C where C is this. That is expectation of C root summation of xi square is equal to sigma. So as given that xi is basically normal 0, sigma square and every xi's are IID. So xi by sigma will follow standard normal and xi square by sigma square will follow chi square 1. And what about summation of xi square? I goes from 1 to 5 by sigma square where xi's are independent होगा तभी ये चीज़ 2 है. ठीक कि ये काई स्क्वायर 5 करेगा. ठीक तो मुझे क्या मिल गया? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ सी रूट ऑफ समेशन एक्स आई स्क्वायर बाई सिग्मा स्क्वायर और यहाँ पर मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर दूँगी. रूट के बाहर सिग्मा रहेगा. ठीक दैट इज़ एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ सी बाहर कर लेते हैं और सिग्मा को भी बाहर कर लेते हैं. दैट इज़ दिस एंड दिस क्या होगा? सी सिग्मा एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ रूट ऑफ टेक दिस एस टी इज इक्वल टू सिग्मा एज गिवन. दिस सिग्मा विल कैंसल आउट. अब सिंस टी हमने किसको लिया है? इसको लिया है और टी हमारा क्या फॉलो कर रहा है? दैट इज़ फॉलोइंग काई स्क्वायर 5 एंड देयर इज़ अ फॉर्मूला दैट इज़ if t follow chi square n then t to the power r will be 2 to the power r gamma n by 2 plus r divided by gamma n by 2. So using this result, that is we get expectation of this is nothing but expectation of root t where is equal to expectation of t to the power r where r is 1 by 2. तो पुट कर लेते हैं. इसका एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या आ जाएगा? 2 to the power 1 by 2 गामा n is basically 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by gamma 5 by 2. This will be root 2. This will be gamma 6 by 2 divided by gamma 5 by 2. That is root 2. This is root 2 and this is gamma. This is gamma 3 since from here divided by gamma 5 by 2. Since gamma alpha is equal to alpha minus 1 factorial. That means using this star will be root 2 into 2 factorial divided by 3 by 2 again 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2 and gamma 1 by 2 is nothing but root pi. Remember now this will be 2 root 2 divided by 3 by 4 into root pi. That is nothing but 8 root 2 by 3 root pi. That is root of 64 into 2 divided by root of 9 root pi and there is c also. That is okay. Now expectation of c root t is nothing but c root 128. 64 into 2 is basically 128 divided by n pi. This is n pi 9 pi that is equal to 1. ठीक from here that is this. So now this will be c is equal to root 9 pi by 128. This is the answer. That is option number A.